So here we are at Gander Mountain. We're going to take, we need a new chair for the motorhome because the last time out we had somebody almost fall on their butt, so we're going to replace one of our chairs. We got Teana, myself, and Bill. Bill's pretty well here. But of course the last time we were here it was a Camping World. So we're going to go in here and maybe buy a new chair, and we need to check on our towing also. We got our new camping fireplace, fire pit, and we happen to notice that the Nomadic Fanatic has one. Look, there's the French Connection. Shall we go see what a French Connection looks like? It's an 18-foot tough shell aluminum. No, Bill, this is not our motorhome. You can't get in that one. No, Bill. But I'll stick the camera in and look around. It's big enough for something. I don't know what. See what the price is? You gonna go in? No? Single axle. Got LED lights on the wheels. The hardest thing about doing YouTube videos is getting used to being in front of the camera. And then after that, the next thing after that is
got a shower.
wow, this is pretty nice. Got a slide too, huh? Well, so what's that supposed to be back there? Another bed?
Well, just a...
Maybe this, I don't know. Kind of weird. This is the bed, and that looks like a dinette, but it looks like you gotta stand up to get in it, huh?
No.
Yeah, look. To sit down, you have to stand up. You gotta get up on it. Huh?
Well, yeah. This the table comes
No,
out.
look where you put your feet.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay.
There's a lot of room in here, actually.
Yeah, quite a bit. See a
Some
price?
storage.
Is there a price up here?
No, it's got a shower.
It's got a electric awning. We even don't have electric awning. Looks like it's got, I don't know what that is, what this thing is right here with a button on it. Maybe it's that's pretty nice though. You could put an office in the back of that one. It's got the extra tank that you could add the extra tank. Maybe it doesn't have propane, huh? Pretty nice though. So let's go inside and meander. Teana says we don't need a new motorhome, so we're not here shopping. We're just here meandering. Come on, Bill. You can get your, oh, I forgot, this is a Gander Mountain. It's more of a hunting and camping store. This way. $23. See, here's what we bought right here. Did we pay more than that for it? On sale for $121. That's what we paid? Yeah. And here's the new one that they got. Here's the bigger model. This was less money than ours was when I bought it. This was on sale for less money. But we didn't have the storage for this one. See, the lid stays on right there with clips. Always looking for something to put in the cabinets to save space. What is it, microwave? How much is it? It's not very big. Well, we don't need much.
Oh, I thought it was something you could put out, bake it out on the grill. That's what I
We just throw it on the grill.
Have you ever cooked a dog?
Yeah, lots of times. Wonder if they still sell dog food. I bet they don't. Come on. Stop sniffing. $12 clearance. What do you think, Bill? Need a new bed? You wouldn't be able to fit. This would be more your speed, Bill. Right here. You want one of these, buddy? Huh? You want one of these? Yeah? You want one of these, Bill, for the motorhome? Yeah, that's just another thing we'd have to put away. They're all on sale. Round. Here we go. Chairs. Come here. I'm just not seeing the chairs we like. We had one of these, and it fell apart less than 6 months after we bought it. Same thing, different color. And we have one of these now. We like these a lot. In our Class C, it's all about space. Concord's a beautiful vehicle, but they didn't think a lot about the storage when they designed it. We have a small table. Doesn't stay this high up. It's extendable. It does come up that high, but this one's up that high. You don't have to extend the legs. You have 2 or 3 of these. Yeah, I like coming to Camping World. It's a lot of fun, even if you don't buy nothing. For me, it's just about what's new and exciting. You see, these are $32, and that's for a peel and stick. There's only 5 of them in there. Five sheets. And they're very thin. It's like, they're more like paper than they are like real tile. Ours is the real tile because I thought $32 for paper just didn't sound like a good idea. So we went to the tile store and bought the real tile and go out and put it in. I posted a video on, well, maybe I posted a picture on Facebook of our tile. Sewer lights? Really? Do you think it's, oh, these are sewer weights. But sewer lights sounds like a good idea too. I think we just lost one hose last time out, but I had already bought 2 new ones.
Find anything in the chair?
No, not really. Here, come over here and look. Here's what they got. Maybe this isn't all they got. Come here, dog. See, there's none here that I like.
Huh?
There's none here that I like.
Those are interesting with the side thing.
Yeah.
I think Sally had those.
Hey, buddy. Do you
Hi.
need some help?
Oh, we're meandering. We need to find out if our towing is up to date, and we're looking at chairs too. Towing, or Good Sam Towing. You guys still do that, right? Even though you're going tomorrow.
Yeah, we do.
Chairs. Is this all there is now?
No, there's chairs. We have them
Yeah,
scattered
that's
up
what I
in
thought.
front.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
You're looking for comfort, high
Yeah,
back, rockers? What?
Fold up.
So many.
We
like
broke.
the
We
big
broke one.
rockers
Come
and
on.
the big,
Some of your higher backs.
I don't remember. I think he's looking for something similar to this right here.
Just a simple.
That's probably it right there.
That's up here. Let me get one down.
No, that's okay. I think the one I want is like we had, and that's over there.
What one we had?
The one the red one, the fold up red one.
Oh, you want one with a bed.
Yeah. Yeah, we have one exactly like that.
This is nice. But mine is like this. And mine is nice. Still.
Yeah, yours is fine.
This
Mine
would
got
be
broke.
perfect. Just need to get up off the floor so much.
Do you want a chair too, Bill? I noticed that the beds
But
are
I
on
have
sale,
one.
but I guess only the round beds, huh?
And
You don't like that, huh?
He says he wants a new bed for the motorhome. You want a new bed for the motorhome, Bill?
Not getting one, Bill.
Show me what you want. Show me what you want. What do you say? Woof, woof. Yeah, huh?
Not getting one.
Bed?
Bill.
You want a new bed? What do you say? Okay.
oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
Just like,
Only beds on sale are the round ones, huh?
looks like it. Let's see what's on this
She says he doesn't need a bed. Dog gets everything anyway. He says, I wish I could be a Chihuahua.
There you go.
This one's on clearance, a big pillow.
$14. Yep. Actually, yeah, 14. See if you like it.
He says, I have one. I just need a new cover, actually. Can I have it, Mom? He says, can I have it?
Would this fit behind your?
Yeah, I probably would.
It's squishy. Let me go see what he needs.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Right back.
Yeah, he can wait for a bed. He doesn't need a bed. Here's the blocks. We need some of these, but guess we're gonna keep using them until they fall apart.
Yeah, keep bitching about them till I throw them away and you can't find them. You said you want one of these, but I don't believe it because.
No, the kind I want is not like that. It's like this one right here.
Right?
If you say so. I like this one. This one looks like a rocker. What do you want, Bill?
This one's nice and high up too.
So are you a rocking
Oh,
dog?
that's a rocker.
Are you a rocking dog?
You got rid of a big rocker. There's no room for it.
Yeah, the one that Jerry gave us. So at the yard sale. Bill, what do you say? What do you say? Woof, woof. Can you say woof? Ooh, woof. What does this one look like when it's all folded up, I wonder?
Sit down. Sit down like that.
Wow, that's a lot to store for that little chair right there, look. That other one wasn't that big. Right here. Wing?
Let me up there in your lap.
See. Yeah, I'll go home with you. Got biscuits? Since you got biscuits? Bill, what do you want? Boy, you're such a Bill. Get down. Back up. Come on, back up. Back up. Come on. This looks pretty nice over here, though. I could play the guitar in this. I could play the guitar in this.
That doesn't look any smaller than these.
This says lumbar adjustable brown tan.
Yeah, this is taller than that, I think. When you put it away.
This one here, huh? This is the bag it comes in, huh?
That one, right?
Yep, that's the one.
See, and see how tall the red one is.
Yeah, this would be okay, I suppose. This is pretty comfortable. You'd want this one all the time, though.
But
Comes in it.
we trade around anyway.
Yeah, we do. I think we're gonna wait because I need to do all the stuff we're gonna do and pay for first. Here's the brake buddy right here. Roadmaster. This is Invisibrake. That's a lot of money.
That looks like you don't take it out every time.
Yeah, it gets mounted up underneath the dash, which would be okay. Where do we stop spending money on tow cars?
So,
You find me? Huh? Did you find me? I guess we'll go check on our card, huh? We renewed our cards, so we're good to go.
go look.
Bill got his cookies. Huh, Bill? Need some flip-flops? They sell flip-flops there. How about that?
Need some hot one?
You need some more? I think we need to make a stop on the way out. We need a Whoppers, 2 for $6. See, they have, looks like Happy Campers. so I think we're on our way. You ready, Bill? Huh? And we say goodbye to Gander Mountain, just like that. Not even Camping World, but Gander Mountain. Because we came and we gandered and we left. They got a really big cell, really, really big. We didn't find our chair, not even something comparable that I would consider yet. And here we are. Okay. Everything needs a bath. Turn it off. Once again, goodbye from Gander Mountain. Look what we found. You wouldn't like it. Really a good sandwich. You wouldn't like it. Bill?
I'm eating.
Do you want a sandwich, Bill? Lick your chops.